If you want to get the most out of Grammarly Pro, or more specifically Grammarly's newer Superhuman Go experience, this video will walk you through it step by step. Whether you're writing in Google Docs, drafting content faster, improving your tone, or polishing your final copy, this is a super useful workflow for creators, students, marketers, and anyone who writes online. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. First, before you can use the feature, you need to make sure the Grammarly browser extension is installed. This works in Chrome or Edge, so if you haven't added it yet, go to your browser extension store and install Grammarly first. Once it's installed, look up at your browser toolbar and click the Grammarly icon. From there, open Settings and find the option that says Use Superhuman Go. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. This is the step that enables the newer experience and unlocks the tools we're going to use in the rest of the video. Now, let's move into Google Docs. Open any document in Google Docs and look toward the right edge of your browser window. You should see a small vertical bar, sometimes called the notch. That bar is the Superhuman tab. Click it, and the Superhuman Go menu will slide out from the side. This is where Grammarly's key AI helpers live, and once you know where it is, it becomes very easy to access whenever you need it. Let's start with one of the most useful tools, the Go agent. This is best when you want to draft something quickly. Click the purple rocket icon, which represents Go. Then type a prompt into the chat box, such as, "Write an intro for my technical tutorial." Grammarly will use the context of your current document to help generate text that fits what you're working on. This is great when you want to get past writer's block or create a rough first draft fast, then refine it later. Next is the Humanizer tool, which is perfect when you already have something written and you want it to sound more natural. First, highlight a paragraph in your document, whether it was written by you or generated by the AI. Then click the person heart icon, which is the Humanizer. After that, choose your saved voice profile. Grammarly will rewrite the text so it sounds more like your own speaking or writing style. This is especially helpful if you want your content to feel less robotic and more personal. Another powerful feature is Proofreader. If you want to clean up your writing in real time, click the G Shield icon. Grammarly will scan your entire document and sort issues into categories like correctness and clarity. Instead of hunting for mistakes one by one, you can click into each category and go through the suggestions quickly. This rapid-fire review process makes it much easier to polish your work without slowing down your workflow. If you want to make more strategic edits, reader reactions is a great option. Select the section of your document you want feedback on, then click the audience icon. You can choose who you're writing for, such as a knowledgeable viewer or another type of reader. Grammarly will then tell you whether your writing feels too technical, too simple, or just right. This is incredibly useful when you want your message to match your target audience more precisely. Now here's a shortcut you should definitely remember. You do not always have to open the full sidebar to make improvements. If you highlight any sentence, a blue floating bar will appear next to your cursor. Click that bar and you'll get quick actions like improve it, shorten, or simplify. These actions use the Go agent behind the scenes, so you can make fast edits without interrupting your writing flow. It's one of the easiest ways to speed up your editing. So to recap, the basic workflow is simple. Install the Grammarly extension, turn on Use Superhuman Go, open Google Docs, and use the sidebar or selection tools depending on what you need. Use Go when you need help drafting, Humanizer when you want a more natural voice, Proofreader when you need clean and accurate writing, and reader reactions when you want audience-based feedback. And when you need a quick edit, just use the floating bar for instant actions. That's how to use Grammarly Pro or Grammarly's Superhuman Go experience in a practical and efficient way. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.